and join us for the Burmeister Estate Farm Equipment Auction to be held on September 11th with a 10:07 a.m. start time in Fremont, Ohio. Auction will feature tractors, combine, grain and corn heads, semi-truck, Jeep, tillage equipment, planting equipment, gravity wagons, header carts, equipment trailers, vintage IH tractors, agriculture equipment literature, and so much more. We look forward to seeing you at the Burmeister Estate Farm Equipment Auction to be held on September 11th in Fremont, Ohio with a 10:07 a.m. start time. Bonnickson & Associates, buying and selling has never been this easy.